My name is Harold Gordon. I'm a program official at the National Institute on Drug Abuse. I was recruited here over 25 years ago to develop a program in the neurobiological basis of drug abuse. Before I came here, I trained with Nobel laureate Roger Sperry and specifically worked on cognitive function related to the left and right sides of the brain. Soon after I arrived, there was development of the magnetic resonance imaging in which we can actually study the functioning in the two sides of the brain. And in particular, we can study risk factors that are associated with drug abuse. These risk factors that were studied included impulsivity and it included craving. Turns out that these data are reported significantly all throughout the literature, but the authors make nothing of it. They don't have anything they don't say why it's important. They don't relate it to cognitive function or anything like that. And I felt that this was my job, is to put all this together, give it some context to develop new research paradigms. So I combined them all for impulsivity, that is response inhibition, the go, no-go and stop signal. And for all the papers assessing craving, that is for drugs added together, alcohol, cocaine, nicotine, and so on. This demonstrates quite clearly that craving is an important element for lateralization to the left hemisphere. And this was true for the most part for other substances, cocaine, heroin, marijuana. And it was even true for food, although not so much for computer gaming. With my background, I felt it was important to review all of this information, both the cognitive differences between the left and right hemispheres and also some of the differences in neurotransmitter activation and connectivity. So now the hope is that new research will be developed to use all of this information at one time, developing new theories, new research, and of course the ultimate goal is to be able to design new ways of prevention and treatment for drug abuse.